Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review between these two software to help you decide which of these can be a game changer to you. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Riverside. Riverside is perfect for creators who want a studio quality podcast recording right from their browser. It offers a clear audio, separate guest track, and smooth video capture, all without extra setup. However, its higher pricing and limited free plan might not suit for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you're about to start using this, you might find it difficult in the sense that the price can be really expensive. I'm talking about Ecamm Live. On the other hand, it's a powerhouse for Mac users who stream or record live shows. It also delivers smooth multi-camera support and a professional overlay, but it lacks cross-platform support and deep podcast editing tools. So in my own opinion, Riverside wins for podcast quality, while Ecamm shines for live broadcasting. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and follow for more review.